I'll tell you a little secret. Corporate finance is more fun and enjoyable than you actually think.
So students will learn about the value of money at different timelines. They will also learn what these discount rates use. Most importantly, they will learn about the corporate finance concepts and apply them in real-world challenges.
The challenge that students face in this class is usually got to do with financial accounting basics, because to extract cash flows, need to have the accounting background. The other one is finance tends to be a bit quantitative, so you need to have some mathematics ability. We'll prepare you, don't worry, we'll handhold you by providing you with some videos to watch, perhaps from other platforms, but they are basically available for you to prepare for my class along with my co-lecturer by you watching the video. So you have to be diligent. You have to actually sit and watch those videos before you come to my class.
They will be more equipped when people talk about financial statements, ratios, and even in making decisions in their businesses.
Get the knowledge from ACE at ASB and then go out there and feel empowered to solve problems in the real world. Mind over matter.